Imagine filming your vacation, your TikToks, or your family moments with a camera that literally fits into your pocket, yet looks like something from a full-size cinematic setup. That was my goal while preparing for the CES 2026 that I'm gonna attend this January. I needed a real camera that was small, fast, stabilized, and better than my phone in a low light. That is why I started using the Xtra Muse, and honestly, this little thing has become my favorite vlogging tool this year.
Hi everyone, I am Valentine Lewis, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today, as you could understand, I am gonna review this Xtra Muse pocket camera. This thing is so small it can literally fit everywhere, and you can film for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, as well as for any other type of occasion. And right now, guys, let's switch to this one so you could see how is it films.
Here we are filming from the Xtra Muse, and guys, this camera is following you all around the room, as well as it has no microphone connected right now, and I feel like the audio quality is pretty high quality. You can hear it right now compared to the previous one from a professional, big Sony camera, and you can come to your own conclusions. Let me know your opinion down below in the comments. So Xtra is a startup based in Delaware, created by imaging experts who have worked in some of the most innovative tech companies. Their mission is to help creators capture the world in extraordinary ways, and after using the Xtra Muse for real vlogs, I see exactly what they meant. The design is the first thing that got my attention. It is about the height of an iPhone 12 or 13, but only half the width. The textured silver body feels like premium gear, not plastic. You can literally slide it into a small handbag or your jacket pocket. The 2-inch touchscreen is bright, easy to see outdoors, and switching between horizontal and vertical. You can control the brightness of the screen so you can dim it or make it brighter. Recordings takes literally one move, which is perfect for TikTok or Instagram content. Now, let's talk about image quality. This camera has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is huge for something this small. And here is where you will see the difference in the real footage. City night scenes, indoor low lights, sunsets, fireworks, anything that normally looks grainy on a phone suddenly becomes sharp and clean. You also get 4K at 120 frames per second, so slow motion actually looks cinematic. I will show side-by-side shots so you can compare phone footage to Xtra Muse footage. The difference in clarity is instant.
Now let's compare it to the GoPro Hero. The model I own is a little bit older, but you can see clearly the huge and craziest difference in the quality of the content, as well as in the stabilization, which this is the most important thing for any vlogging camera out there. That was an epic fail for the GoPro Hero comparing to the Xtra Muse.
The 3-axis gimbal is another major advantage. I will add a demonstration so you can see how stable it is even when walking or jogging. Phones rely on digital stabilization, and you can always see the warping. The Xtra Muse uses mechanical stabilization, so your footage stays smooth and natural. It makes a huge difference from travel vlogs, dog walking, skiing, hiking, or filming your kids who never stop moving. It also has smart tracking. When you mount it on a tripod, the camera locks onto your face or object and keeps you centered even if you spin, jump, or move around the room. For solo vloggers, this is a lifesaver. The touchscreen interface is simple. You can change exposure, switch modes, set panoramas, lock autofocus, or activate the in-app extras like face retouching, motion time-lapse, or exporting live photos. The UI is very beginner-friendly, and creators will appreciate how fast everything is. Battery life is impressive for a small device. You can record nearly 3 hours continuously on one single charge. And the joystick and the silver tripod head give you the feeling of using a tiny professional camera. Two things I really want to highlight because the brand emphasized them and they matter to buyers. First, Xtra Muse is genuinely cost-effective. You are getting a 1-inch sensor, real gimbal stabilization, vertical shooting, smart tracking, and 4K slow motion, all in one pocket-sized device without spending the price of a flagship camera. Second, it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is rare in this category and gives you real peace of mind. For me personally, the Xtra Muse is the camera I am taking to the CES 2026. I need something lightweight that still
still gives me professional looking footage. But honestly, this is also the perfect everyday camera for American families, travelers, pet owners, sports parents, or anyone who wants better memories than what a phone can capture. It is small, powerful, beginner-friendly, and genuinely fun to use. You are welcome to capture the world in extraordinary ways. That is the Xtra Muse.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Let me know what do you think. Let me know if you have any type of an experience with that type of cameras. This camera will be also perfect for anyone who is doing any type of reviews, any type of social media activities. If you want to be an influencer, or even if you are online streamer, this camera has an option for online streaming too. And I truly love how well it is focusing on the objects really well. So if you are doing any type of reviews, this camera will be the best option for you. It's small, it's compact, and not just for vlogging, but for aesthetic videos, it can do best as well. So this camera is available on Amazon or on the original official website of Xtra. So you're welcome to go check it out anywhere it works for you. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, any type of discount codes, promotions, where and how to get it for the most affordable price ever. So guys, it's Christmas time. This camera can play an amazing gift idea for the Christmas time or for any other type of holidays and occasion as well. So if you know someone who will enjoy it, if you know someone who always dreamed to start an influencing career, if you know someone who would love this camera, well, this is the best gift idea ever. You're welcome. You are welcome. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.